What do you do when that adorable top simply won't do up in the back, no matter how much you try to force it? I know, transform it into an adorable new cardigan with my groovy tutorial.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy upsizing tutorial, all you need is the too tight top, your seam ripper, and your sewing gear. So your first step is to simply flip the top inside out and using your seam ripper, remove the back zip and totally open up the entire back seam. And then go ahead and give those raw edges a lovely clean hem and your groovy little cardigan is complete. How totally easy is that blouse upsize? Just simply chopping up the back and yeah, got a groovy little throw on and go cardigan now. For loads more tips, tricks, and Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, while you're there, subscribe to me everywhere on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and Tumblr and here on YouTube. Just subscribe and start sharing your fave tutorials with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more beloved, sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.